How to add a question on Quora app. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to add your question to Quora app. So first thing you have to do, it's very easy, just go to Quora. This is the home page as you can see right here. Now all what you have to do to add the question is go down and click on this little plus button right here. Now all what you have to do is click on the add question option, not create post. Click on add question and now choose your question. For example, how to add your question, how to do, for example, and after you finish just click add right here. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.